Okay, so now you know a little bit more about recycled materials and what you can do with that. Also, we've learned why it is so important to recycle. Okay, now it is time for a more fun activity because we are going to do an art craft. But for that, we are only going to use recycled materials. So, I want you to ask your parents or someone at home if you can use a cardboard. So, for example, I didn't have a cardboard like this, but I made it because what I do have is a box. So I cut the side part of this box. So you can do that too, but with help of an adult. So ask someone if he or she can help you with that, to cut a piece like this. Because what are we going to do? We are going to make a car. Yes, that's right. We're going to make a car out of recycled materials. So you will need a cardboard, like I said. You will need like straws. For example, I have these ones because I don't have the plastic ones at home. But I do have these ones because these ones you can recycle. So you will need 2 of those. I have 2 here. Because this we are going to put it like here. So we can connect the wheels to it. So because we're going to make a car. And the car needs to drive. Yes. So we have 2 straws that we are going to put. And we need something to make the wheels. So you can use, for example, the top of a bottle that you can use. But I didn't have those. So I was thinking, which materials do I have at home that I can use to make the wheels? Well, I found these ones. I collected some. Because I thought, yeah, I can throw it away, but I can also save it so that I can do something else with it. Yeah, that's also recycling. So I have 4 of these ones. And with these ones, I'm going to make the wheels of the cars. So later on, we're going to color this one and to make it pretty and everything. We're going to put the wheels. I was thinking make like a small hole in here and just stick it through. So we are going to put it here. Well, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it, okay? You will need tape. Also, this is the only tape that I have, so I'm going to use this now. And a balloon. Yes, a balloon. Why would you need a balloon to make a car? What's the thing with a balloon? Because at the end, we're going to put the balloon, we're going to put air in the balloon. We're going to put it here when the car is all finished. And then we're going to release the air out of the balloon. And then we will see what happens. What do you think that will happen? In a science class, we've talked some time about power, right? About energy. So this is a form of energy, kind of. We're going to give power to the car by using a balloon. Okay, long story, let's begin. So, I need to make the form of a car out of this cardboard. So what am I going to do? I'm going to fold the borders inside. So I'm going to fold it a little bit to create like the sides of the car, right? So let's do it like this. So fold the side of the cardboard so that it will look like this. And to the other side as well. Like this. Okay, because now the straws can be here. Do you see that? So you need to measure a little bit so that you can put the straws under your car. Because remember, when you have a real car, you also have the wheels under the car. So you have to put this one here. We are going to do that with tape. So you have to connect the straws. Or even if you don't have straws, you can use, for example, I did have some sushi sticks that I didn't use. So I just broke it and then you have 2 sticks. It's also an option to recycle. Okay. Anyways, we're going to make a little hole in these ones because I want to put the straw through it. So I want to, so that the wheels can roll. I'm going to do that with a knife, but don't do that, please. Just ask someone to help you with that. Because it's a bit dangerous to do it by yourself, yeah? So ask someone to help you with this part and make holes in it so that you can stick the straw through it like this, because I want that it's not rolling. Yeah, doesn't matter. So I'm going to connect these ones. I'm going to do that with all 4 ones, and I'm going to put one here and one here. Okay, so also here I need to make a small hole inside and the other side, so that you can connect it here to the other side of the straw. Okay, let's see. So find it. It's a bit. Yeah, there it goes. So that it will look like this. Try to do it more straight, so that's gonna look prettier. Okay, and then you put them under the car. So as you can see, it doesn't really fit. You see, my car is too wide, so I need to fold the borders a bit more in, like to make it a little smaller. I'll do that now, because otherwise you will not see the wheels. Tough material. Okay, there it is. So now see if it's going to work. Yeah, it does. Nice, eh? Alright, so you need 2 straws with 2 rolls to connect the other ones as well. And do you remember why it is so important to recycle materials? Or why do we make art craft with recycled materials? Why we don't just buy plastic things and just do it with that, for example? Can also be. But we've just learned about recycled materials and why that is so important. So I thought it would be nice to do an art craft with recycled materials. Because also you can throw it away, yeah? You can put it in the bin and just throw it away. Or you can recycle it. Why is it a good idea to recycle? Hope that you can tell me that after this class. Okay, so we have now 4 wheels, and we are going to connect it to the car. So I'm going to put the car in the middle, and then I'm going to do it with tape. So they're upside down. So you can see it's the first time that I'm doing this, so I'm not so... Like this, I'm going to put tape. Stick it to the cardboard. Another. Okay, I'm going to do that here as well. It's kind of a simple art craft, but you will see that it's going to be fun. Because it's about different things. It's not only about recycled materials, it's also about energy. So, okay. Well, I've connected the wheels to my car. You see? So now you can paint it. Because it would be nice to have a colorful car. So you can use paint, or you can use your pencils or something else. So you can paint the car so that it's going to look prettier. Okay, so now I have a challenge for you. Because I need you to figure out a way how you can make the car move. So, I know that you have a balloon over there, I think, I hope. If you have a balloon, great, and you have a straw, maybe you can do something with that to make the car move. Do you know what you can do to make it move? Okay, it's your challenge, because in my case it didn't work out. I'm going to be honest with you. It just didn't work out, so I need your help here. I hope that you can help me find out the way how it is possible to make the car move. And I don't mean move like push the car. I mean using another technique so that your car will be moving by itself. So, do you know how you can do that with recycled materials? And can you show me a picture of that? That would be great. Or maybe you can even make a video so that we can learn from each other and that I can learn from you as well. So have fun with this project. Remember to use only recycled materials because that's what the geography class is about. And I'm looking forward to seeing your photos and videos. So good luck, and yeah, I hope it's going to work.